flagship device, that's the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, versus a 2-year-old smartphone from HTC, but still a very good phone, that's the HTC M8. M8 is still one of the best speakerphone in the world, so it will be a good comparison to compare the sounds of the two smartphones. I know you guys know about this, but still for those who don't know, HTC M8 has two front-firing speakers on the top and the bottom, whereas on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge there is only a single speaker here at the bottom. Also, the Samsung Galaxy S7 is waterproof and dustproof, which do affect the quality of the sound coming out of the speakers. I will be playing 6 different types of music so that you guys can have a better idea about the sound quality of the two phones according to your liking. So here are the two smartphones. On the right, this is the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge and this is the HTC M8. Let's begin the test. The music folder here and here too. And this will be showing you the reading of the intensity of the sound. So I'm starting with the first one, that is the type of classical. This is the type of classical music starting from the HTC M8. Let me check itself. Okay, here we can see that it has reached the maximum of 781 decibels. Now moving on to Galaxy S7 Edge. Let me refresh this. Okay. I will be using the same music player, that is the default music player of ES File Explorer, so that you get this same quality of sound. There is no difference. Sorry. Here you can see that the maximum output volume reached is 87 decibels. So definitely the Galaxy S7 sound is louder, but it's not pleasing to the ears. The HTC M8 is very soothing, and you would want to listen to HTC M8. Moving on to the next type of music. The second one I am playing is jazz. Okay, on jazz you get a higher sound out of the HTC M8 speakers. It has reached 83 decibels. Moving on to Galaxy S7 Edge. Still again the Galaxy S7 wins over the loudness of the sound. So moving on to the next type of music. The next I will be playing is the rock music. Moving on to S7H. Moving on to the next type of song music. This is the hip hop. Moving on to the S7H. Okay, so we can clearly see in terms of loudness, S7 really shines here. Okay, moving on to the next type of music. This is the folk music. Moving on to the S7H. Moving on to the last category of the sound, that will be the that's the electronic or dance type. M8 is really a music lover's smartphone. It's not that loud, but you will, once you start listening to the M8, you will not like the music coming out of the S7's tiny speakers. So I would like to show you another sound comparison that's coming out of the YouTube's video player. I would also like to add that HTC M8 has a built-in amplifier, so the output volume from the headphone jack is quite high compared to the S7 Edge. I can show you by using my earphones. If I plug the earphones in and play a music like I guess rock music will be better. So playing at the full volume, you can see okay. So you can see here the maximum decibel reached from the earphones was 94 decibels. So comparing that to the S7 Edge, it will be quite on the lower. It will be on the lower side. S7 doesn't have a built-in amplifier. This is a comparison. Clearly you can see the difference. So guys, we come to the conclusion. Actually there is not a proper conclusion for this, because there are some people who are into that the sound coming out of this smartphone should be louder. In that case, S7 Edge is a better pick than HTC M8. But if you talk about the quality, then HTC M8 is a clear winner. So guys, I hope you liked it. If you did, then please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also make your friends subscribe if they are gadget or technology freaks. Also, you can check out my Facebook page. I will be putting the link below in the description. I keep on posting the technology and new gadgets updates on the page. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.